Look at this. I found a gummy elephant in my gummy worms. Look at him.
Check this out.
What's up?
Nothing much. It's just right over here. Oh, you good, bro? Oh, he's trying to escape. Look at him go.